Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. Today's recipe is very different and very interesting recipe. It's not a recipe, but it's just a fun, cute little idea for pretzels. So I have chocolate covered pretzels in variety different designs or patterns. So, and I have individually wrapped like in pack of two. So it's just for when you have like throwing a birthday party, or if you have any sort of bake sale or anything like that, then you can make them. It's very easy, very simple recipe. So, and it's especially with the kids, it's just so much fun to get this together and nicely decorated. So let's get started with the recipe and how I made it. So check it out. Alright, so we need few obvious ingredients for these chocolate covered pretzel rods, which is, of course, we need pretzel rods. You can get any type of pretzels. I like the rods, it's easy to decorate. So I also have the almond bark, which is chocolate flavored, and some vanilla coating. So we will make combination of chocolate and white vanilla coating around the pretzel. I have about 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. So I have 2 barks, the vanilla flavored barks, and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. This is basically we will melt the chocolate, and it just helps to soothe out the melted chocolate. So that's why I'm using the coconut oil. And these are a bunch of sprinkles. I have the gold glitter one, of course it's edible, and some mixed colored ones and the different texture. So let's get started. Let me first get my chocolate melted here. I will put this cup in the microwave, and we will basically melt it for about 1 minute and see if it's melted. If not, then you can have like another 30 seconds. So let's get started. Alright, so while my white chocolate is melting, I have this chocolate with coconut oil melting in a different mug. As you can see, it's very tall, it's easy to dip. So I had 3 slabs of these almond barks, and I have 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, as I mentioned earlier. So I melted it for about 2 minutes with 1 minute interval. So look how nice the consistency is, like a pouring consistency. And chocolate is of course liquidy just because the coconut oil that we used. So we need like such pouring consistency just to drizzle it on the top of chocolate. So if you want to drizzle it, add the coconut oil. So make sure the chocolate is nicely, like we have to stir the chocolate really nicely just to smooth out all the liquid, just like so, just a free fall. Alright, so this is ready to dip, so let's get started. I'm going to dip the pretzel rod. This is like this big of pretzel rod. So let's dip it and dab it. Alright, so this is my white chocolate melted for about 2 minutes. So as you can see, it still shows as a thick one, but just mix it well with the coconut oil. And if you need more, maybe just add 30 more seconds to melt it nicely. Alright, so with the help of fork or spoon, just cover all the pretzel rod till maybe around 3/4 of its size. So just keep it like this and just drizzle it like that. So up to wherever you want. So make sure that we have some pretzel to maintain its original taste. So I'm not covering that with the chocolate. So let's dab it just to get the excess chocolate out of it, just to see nice that clean look on the pretzel. So we have to make sure that we shake it and dab it a little bit. Alright, so I'm just gonna do that and keep it here on a baking tray. Just line up. Alright, let's move on to the white chocolate one and let's do the same process. There you go. So I'm just trying to shake it, dab it, just to get the excess chocolate out of it. Alright guys, so I've made some of the chocolate covered and some of the white chocolate ones. And just a quick note here, if you like, while doing this process, it takes like a couple minutes to do that. But if the chocolate is getting hardened because it's cold or something, then just put it back in the microwave for about 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and make sure you get the liquid consistency just like so. We need to have the pouring consistency to make sure the chocolate spreads out evenly, just like that. So that's the key. So I just melted the chocolate back again because I was working on the white chocolate. Alright, so there are quite a few designs that you can make or decorate these pretzel sticks with quite a few designs. So I'm gonna show you a couple of them. So these are the ones which I just made. So if you see the difference, these are already hardened up. The chocolate layer is already hardened up, but these are still wet. So what I'm gonna do is get some sprinkles and simply top it up like that so that it sticks on the chocolate. It looks nice and colorful and very festive. So make sure you add it while it's still, the chocolate is still melted. So I'm not gonna use just one. I have the golden one also, which I really liked, and it looks even more cuter, I would say. So just get it in these stores, so in a baking section. So I'm just going to put some sprinkles on it, just like so. So make sure, if you want to have this design, make sure your chocolate is still melted. Alright, so isn't that gorgeous already? Look at this, how beautiful this looks. Another design that you can make is just drizzle the chocolate, the melted chocolate. Let me try to show you. So just like so. Simply drizzle either same color chocolate or the contrast. It looks nice also. You can still use the same colored chocolate as well, like on the white, because the drizzle is going to stand out anyways. So it's up to you which color chocolate you want to use. But I like the contrast. Look at that. Alright, so in that, if you want some more combination, while this chocolate is liquidy form, so we will just add some more glitter on it just to look it more like, we're just jazzing it up. We can add some more colorful ones. Just like so. Alright, so final reveal here. I have used variety different combinations for decoration. Just get some idea and do whichever one you like the most, or you can do just copy this one. Just wanted to show you. So just a fun little snack and quick and easy snack. So I hope you like this recipe and like this these creative ideas. Now if you like it, please give a big thumbs up and share it with friends and families, and do not forget to subscribe if you have not already. Thank you for all who have already subscribed. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.